Hey everybody, it's John Lindsay with the All Queued Up Competition Steak and Barbecue team in Arkassippi Smoke Live. Tonight, we're going to take Taco Tuesday to a whole new level with my Mexican cornbread casserole smoked on a hasty baked grill. Come along, let me show you how. The ingredients for this meal are going to be really simple, but they go really well together. Okay, we've got 1.25 pounds of ground beef. We're going to brown it and drain the grease off of it and get it ready. 1 10-ounce can of mild Rotel. If you like it hotter, use the hot. We've got 3 cups of cheese. We have a 15-ounce can of cream-style corn. We have an 8.75-ounce can of whole kernel corn. As you see, we've reserved all the liquid in these ingredients. Our seasonings for our Mexican cornbread casserole are this Melissa Cookston's Woo Woo sauce. This adds flavor to everything. We've got also All Queued Up steak shake, Barbecue butter bomb, Hottie Toddy bovine, and big red beef rub. So you know, if you want to make it quick, but you really want to make it good, pull out the Jiffy corn muffin mix. We've got 2 boxes of it, 2/3 of a cup of milk, 2 eggs we're going to mix out and top this dish with. So we're browning our hamburger meat, and we're going to get this ready and get it drained in just a minute. But I want to tell you, this Camp Chef skillet, we're using this, and we're using a lot of these on our grill. And this is some of the best cast iron that I've ever dealt with. We love these things. We're going to take this one and assemble our meal right here in this one skillet, put it right out on the hasty bake, and it's going to do an outstanding job. From here, folks, we're going to add in our canned ingredients, and so we're going to get this thing ramped up now. Let's go ahead and put our Rotel in, and here we go with it. And I actually put a potato masher on that Rotel and ground it up just a little bit more fine than what it was. That's just something I like to do. I don't really like huge chunks of tomatoes. We're going to put our cream style corn in next. And then our 8.75 ounce whole kernel with the juice. So now we're going to add in 2 cups of our cheese. And we've turned this heat down to medium on this, and we're just going to sit here and let it simmer a few minutes. So we're going to keep back 1 cup of cheese, which it looks like about a cup right there, and then we're just going to stir this in. Now, whether you're making tacos, enchiladas, anything like that, if you'll add a little cheese while you're cooking the meat, it always makes that meat a little more creamy. So now it's time to add our seasonings. Let's get this thing smelling and tasting good. All Queued Up steak shake, we're just going to add about a tablespoon of that. So I've mixed my All Queued Up big red beef and the bovine delight together in this shaker. I had just a little bit left, and so we're going to go ahead with it and add about a tablespoon of it. Come back over the top, tablespoon of this Arkassippi Combo Products Barbecue garlic butter bomb. It's the bomb. Let's add about a tablespoon of it, and then we're going to put the magic in. Melissa Cookston's Woo Woo sauce. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of this. So we've emptied both boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix into a mixing bowl. There it is, made a well right here, getting ready for those eggs to go in. We're going to put 2 large eggs right there with it, and I'm going to go ahead and add our milk, 2/3 cup, just regular milk. And we're going to mix this up and top our casserole. So we've mixed our Jiffy cornbread mix until there is absolutely no lumps. My grandma would be super proud of me. And so we've got it ready to go. So next, we're just going to top our Mexican casserole with this. And then we're going to spread it out pretty much evenly over the entire dish. So a hasty bake grill is one of the most versatile grills in the world. This is actually turned into an outdoor oven tonight. We've got some hickory wood we just put on the fire. It's going to start smoking in just a minute. We got the fire over on one side. We've got the heat deflector over on the other side. Food will go right on top of the heat deflector, and we've got the firebox set down in the bake position. That keeps it good even all the way around. We'll rotate it just about halfway through cooking. This dish will take 15 to 25 minutes to cook. About 15 minutes in, we're going to add our cheese, and it's going to get good and golden brown. Let's put it on. Here we go. You can see the smoke rolling. And here she goes. This one, folks, is definitely gonna be good. Well, it's a moment of truth. Our Mexican cornbread casserole is done. Just come off the Hasty Bake Grill, 450 degrees with a little hickory wood, set in the bake position, and it browned up perfect. Now we're gonna get to try it. This is one of these dishes that it's quick and easy on a weeknight. You can even put it together beforehand and then add the cornbread on top, put it straight on the grill. Let's give this one a shot and see how it came out. So we're just gonna get one of these corner pieces here. That good crusty cornbread. Look at that. Woo! Looking good in the neighborhood. That one's gonna be awesome. Nothing left to do now but give this one a shot. Boy, it's smelling good. Let's see if it tastes as good as it smells. Here we go. I think I'm gonna go in for another bite. I'm John Lindsay with the All Queued Up Competition Steak and Barbecue team in Arkassippi Smoke Live. Give this one a shot. I think you'll really like it. We'll catch you next time. Hey everybody, thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Just click right here. Be sure and follow us on all of our social media outlets, including our website at steakrubs.com. To watch our latest video, be sure and click right here. I'm John Lindsay, and I'll see you down the barbecue trail.